Okay, so here I have the Braun Series 9 9295cc wet and dry electric shaver with clean and charge system. Now this thing is I don't know if it's the top of the line, but it is the nicest shaver I've ever had. And I'm normally a stick shaver kind of person, just use disposable with the blade. So this is a new experience for me, but this thing is pretty awesome. So here's a manual it comes with. Here's the box. As you can see, it's tells you a little bit about it. This thing is wet and dry, so you can use it in the shower if you want to. There is a look of the inside of the clean and charge system. I have never seen anything like this before. This is pretty cool. Like I said, I don't have much experience with electric shavers, so this may be a common thing, but man, that's awesome. So here's the back of the box. Here we go. Oh, here's the other side. It kind of gives you a breakdown of all the different parts of the blade. The Optifoil Hyper Lift and Cut Trimmer, Direct and Cut Trimmer, protective skin guard, and another Optifoil on each end. So that is the razor or shaver. Comes with a nice little case that you can take your shaver and travel easily with it. This thing, I got it out of the box and charged it. Now you can charge it by plugging it into just the bottom, or you can plug in this charge and clean station. You plug that in the back, right back there. So you can either plug it in using you can charge it using the charging station, or you can just, if you're traveling with it, take your cord, plug it into the bottom, charge it like that. Now it only took an hour to fully charge this thing. So there it is right there, you can hear it. And I've used this for over a week and it's still got a full charge. And I grow pretty quick beard, so I've been using it quite a bit. I have not tried the cleaning station yet. So here's what it comes with. This is a little container, and you can buy replacements of these. I'm not sure how much they cost, but you can buy replacements of these. These fit inside here. Pop the bottom off and put that in there. And then what you do is when it's ready to clean, and that's indicated by the little water droplet right there. That little water droplet that's on there indicates you should probably clean it. So what you do is you put it in there like that, boom, and hit clean, and it cleans it, and it dries it. So man, that is amazing. I don't understand how it works, but it's pretty cool. So you can also take apart this easily by squeezing on each side. This easily comes off. You can see, you can rinse that with water, which I did, just ran it under the faucet. Everything cleans really easily. This just pops right back on. Super cool. Let me set my camera down here. Let's see. So here is this, and this goes right back on, snaps right back on. Now you can see this head pivots. If you want to lock it into place, you can lock it into place with this little button right here. So up to have it flexible, down if you want to lock it. So see, it's locked into one specific spot, and you can lock it in pretty much any angle of the pivot that you want. See, so pretty cool. There's the power button. This is cool. On the back side there is a little button here, and you push it and slide up, and there is like a sideburn trimmer, a little thicker hair trimmer there. That is pretty awesome. Just push that button, slide it back down. So that is it. like I said, it took an hour to charge for the first time, and I've been using it for about a week and a half, and I still have a full charge. So I haven't even had to put it back on the charging station or plug it in. So that is pretty good battery life so far. And it's I believe it has a lithium in it, so it should maintain that type of life for quite some time. Also comes with a little brush here to help you clean out the little hairs once you take the top off. And here is your power cord as well. So another cool thing is this has a lock. So if you're traveling with it, you want to make sure it doesn't come on during flight, or tossing your bag around or whatever. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds. You can see a little lock is lit up on there. So now if you push the button, it won't start. So that's good to have if you're traveling. And to turn that off, all you do is press the button 3 seconds. And there we go. You're back in action. Okay, so I am going to show you how to install the cleaning cartridge into the Clean and Charge base station. Now this is for the Series 9 Braun wet and dry shaver. So here is the Clean and Charge station. You turn it around and you'll see a button on the back. You just push that button and you see the whole thing raises up. See? Just like that. Then you take your cartridge and you pull this cap off like so. You slide this into the Clean and Charge station. You'll hear it snap. You'll feel it snap. You won't really hear it, but just like so. And then push everything down. So now the cleaning solution is installed in the Clean and Charge station. You will then take your power plug, like that. Alright, there we go. We are plugged in. Now you do need to be careful with the station now. You don't want to tip it over or turn it upside down or anything like that, because it has that solution inside of it. So then, if you want to clean your razor, your shaver, you will take your shaver. Make sure the head is not locked. So you want to make sure it's not in the locked position, just like so. Put it in there like that. Make sure that it is making contact and charging, and then push the button to start it. Now, you can hear that it is doing the cleaning process. Can't really see anything because it closes in around the shaver. Keep it from splashing out and stuff. But you can hear it in there doing its thing. So as you can see that when I plug the shaver in, it has 3 dots. So that means this is the high intensive cleaning. It does kind of it analyzes the shaver when you put it down there to determine how dirty it is, and then you will see 1, 2, or 3 water droplets based upon how dirty it feels that the razor is. So it is doing a high intensive cleaning on the shaver right now. Okay, so the cleaning process consists of several cycles in which cleaning fluid is flushed through the shaver head. I'm just reading out of the manual to explain what's happening. Depending on the program, whether it's 1, 2, or 3 drops, the cleaning time could take up to 3 minutes, and it is followed by a drying process of about 40 minutes. So now you can kind of hear that it's doing the drying. You can hear the fan. See if I can get closer. Should be able to hear the fan in there running. So it is currently drying the shaver right now. So that's going to take about 40 minutes. Then, after that, charging, as you notice, it's not charging during this process, so after it's done cleaning, it will go back to charging and then be ready for you next time you need it.